Hello guys, you use smartphone Ulefone Armor X7 Pro. This version 4GB RAM memory and 64 and 32GB internal memory. Open box, open box and look complementation. In complementation we have protected film on display, adapter for charging and micro USB cable. This key for SIM slot and this. Okay, good complementation. And talk about device. Front camera, fingerprint scanner and LED, 5-inch display, front camera talk speaker. This we have slot for nano SIM cards, smart key, power key and volume keys. Downside, micro USB port and this we have headphone jack. Display HD, IPS display. Okay. Open Geekbench 5 and log system information. We have CPU MediaTek MT6761, this quad-core processor, CPU speed 2.3 GHz, GPU, resolution display PPA and look results, CPU test results. Okay. Close this and open Guitar San Andreas. Look how Guitar San Andreas work on the device. Resume game. Works smooth, without lags and glitches, good gameplay. Okay, nice. Close this and talk about camera. Main camera 13 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.